If you love lemon desserts, you are going to love these yummy lemon brownies. They are soft and buttery like a brownie, and bright and zesty like a lemon bar, and topped with a sweet lemon glaze. They are super easy to make and bake in about 20 minutes, and disappear even faster. To make these lemon brownies, melt 180 grams of unsalted butter until it is fully melted. Then pour it into a large mixing bowl. Then, add 180 grams of granulated sugar to the melted butter. Then, add 3 large eggs. Just make sure the butter is warm and not boiling hot. Then, add 1 pinch of salt. Use a whisk to mix everything really well for about 30 seconds until it looks even and well mixed. Next, add 4 tablespoons of lemon juice and give everything another quick mix with the whisk. Next, I like to use a sifter to sift in 200 grams of all-purpose flour. Sifting helps get rid of any clumps in the flour, so it blends in easier and the brownies bake up with a nicer texture. Give the batter another quick mix just until the flour disappears. Stop as soon as you do not see any dry flour, because overmixing can make the brownies come out tougher instead of soft. Next, pour the batter into a parchment paper-lined 20 by 20 centimeter baking tray, which is an 8 by 8 inch pan. A smaller or slightly larger pan is fine too. Just make sure you scoop out all the batter from the bowl so you do not waste any. Then, give the pan a little shake to help the batter settle evenly. Next, bake the lemon brownies in a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius or 355 degrees Fahrenheit for about 20 minutes until the top looks set and a toothpick poked into the center comes out clean. And your kitchen smells absolutely amazing. Now in a separate bowl, mix together 200 grams of powdered sugar and 4 tablespoons of lemon juice to start. Add more lemon juice a little at a time, up to 6 tablespoons total, until the glaze looks thick and smooth. You want it to fall off the spoon slowly, not pour like water. The glaze is perfect, just as you can see in the video here. Once the glaze is nice and smooth, the brownie should be cool enough to pour the glaze over the top. It should feel cool and not hot, so the glaze won't melt and get runny. Pour the glaze over the center, scooping out everything from the bowl. Then, use a spatula to spread it out to the edges in an even layer as you see me doing in the video here. And now, the lemon brownies are ready to eat. Lift them out if you used parchment paper, then cut them into squares and enjoy. These lemon brownies taste bright and lemony, like a lemon bar, but richer. The inside bakes up soft and super moist, and it almost melts in your mouth. The lemon glaze on top adds a sweet finish that balances the tang perfectly. If you like these lemon brownies, you are absolutely going to like these super delicious protein lemon bars here next. Check it out now!